Okay, in this video I want to show you how to upgrade or remove the memory on an Asus Q301L laptop notebook. It's fairly easy. Just basically undo the screws here on the bottom. There's a total of, let's see, 10. This particular laptop I bought locally here in my town. I got it for like 40 bucks. It had a shattered glass on it. I'll show you that here in a second. And primarily I buy broken laptops. The reason is I can either replace the screen and then sell the laptop, or use it for my own personal use, or I can sell the parts out of it. This one is iffy. I mean, it was really banged up. I might be able to, I mean, there's not really much I can retrieve out of it. Unfortunately, one of the memory sticks is integrated, so you can't upgrade it. So it's got a 4 gig integrated memory in there, and then there's only one slot. And so when I checked out the slot, it only had 2 gigs on it, so I'm sort of disappointed with that. But this shows you here. So it's an i5 processor, pretty nice. I mean, it does power on. I just haven't tested it with an external monitor yet. Okay, next step. With this bad boy. Yeah, he said he accidentally stepped on it. He said it's such a great laptop. Next step is just to pry this lid open. It's probably a little bit more resistant for me now. But to do that, you get like a real thin flathead screwdriver, or just use a credit card. As long as you got these screws out, you're not going to break anything. So you have to pry it. Okay, so I'd recommend like a credit card to go around the edges. And you can also use like a little thin flathead screwdriver. I went ahead and did it on my own here. I'd recommend starting from the back and then pry it open. So there you go. So that exposes the motherboard. Of course, that's the battery, hard drive, and all that good stuff. Now, when you first look at that, you wonder, well, where's the memory? And because I'm used to, older laptops, whatever, and they're easily found when you take the keyboard off or the back lid or whatever. It's basically right here. It's a little metal compartment here, and it's a little bit stubborn at first, but if you just pry it off, it'll eventually come off. And so you can see there it exposes the memory. and to my disappointment, it only had like 2 gigs on it. So from there, that's pretty easy to upgrade. You of course want to upgrade it to a 4 gig. I think you can upgrade it to an 8. Right below this is an integrated memory stick, which you can't change or alter. That's already got 4 gigs on it. So you got the 4 gigs underneath it. So right now this laptop has 6 gigs. To upgrade it to 8, of course you would just unplug that. And again, I realize I should be wearing like a static bracelet or something like that because it's got the battery in there, but again, this is like a parts or repair laptop. So there you go, that's the 2 gig. See if that's visible. It shows the model number. There it goes. And then I want to replace it with a 4 gig, which is right here. That's got the model number in case you want to buy it online. I'll go ahead and read it. 1RX8 PC3L-12800S is in Sam. And so there you go. See there, there's the memory of the 4 gig, and of course that. And there you go. That upgrades the memory. Not too difficult. Thanks for watching.